I'm here with Marc Mani, world-leading plastic surgeon and artist. And I want to know about the latest trends in plastic surgery.
Well, I think one of the latest things that I see a lot of, Vicky, as you know, is people are coming in for more natural alternatives to some of the things that have been done, like a lot of filler has been done. And filler is a great way to kind of arrest the aging process temporarily. But honestly, I've never been a huge fan of doing too much filler because I'm a surgeon, and I think one of the things that people are asking me for is the MIST procedure, which is my use of stem cells to rejuvenate the face. And I can add volume if necessary, but the MIST involves using fat from the patient's own body. So it's sort of a more organic, natural alternative to filler, and that's why I like it and a lot of the patients like it.
I love your philosophy that less is more. But what are fillers? What are we putting into our bodies?
Well, there are various types of fillers. The most common filler is hyaluronic acid filler. It's a substance that does come from our own body. The actual substance that most people are injecting actually comes from a rooster comb. And that's not something that people commonly tell you, but that's where it comes from. Having said that, they're perfectly safe. There's no reaction, or very rarely is there any sort of reaction in people's bodies to the substance. But I just prefer using something natural. I prefer using your own tissue, your own fat. I think it's just more elegant and it's better for the body overall.
What's interesting is people are scared of plastic surgery, and I think what I'd love you to explain is the holistic way of looking at the beauty and the art of healing.
Yeah, I think, I'm also a physician. I'm a plastic surgeon, but a physician first. And so there's a big component of psychology, and there's an art to what I do. And part of that art is recognizing that psychology and specifically wanting to find out what it is that's bothering a patient and what's the psychology behind why they're coming in. I'm not just a cosmetologist. I know beauty. I'm an artist, and I went into this field to help people look better and feel better about themselves. So it's not just about physical beauty. It's about enhancing their confidence, I would say, making them more confident and more able to achieve what they want to achieve in life.
What is a more natural approach to facial rejuvenation?
Well, the newest thing that I've come up with is my MIST procedure, and it's an approach to skin rejuvenation. It adds blood supply to the skin using the patient's own cells, and that's what I love about it. It triggers sort of a chemical influence on the cells, adds new blood flow, treats pigmentation like melasma. It's the best treatment that I found for melasma out of all the possibilities, lasers, chemicals, and medications. And it also treats fine lines. It just sort of sets the clock back. It's something that people love because it's natural, it's organic, comes from your own tissue. And I've also been able to replace the need for fillers and to some degree Botox as well because of the way that it treats lack of volume and fine lines also.
Whoa, that's great.